Hey guys, I'm Dhairya Bagga and today I'll be doing the unboxing of this iPad Air 2020. Now this is the fourth generation of the iPad and this is a beautiful device. I've been waiting to lay my hands on this ever from the time it was announced, and finally I got it today from the Invent store in Delhi. Thanks to Ashish for making sure that the stock is available for me. And yeah, I hope by giving him credits this time, I think he will get me some good discounts next time as well. Now, yeah, let's start with the unboxing. I'll try to open this box. Meanwhile, I'll just try to brief you some information about this. So this is a 64 GB version. You can go with 256 GB storage as well. But that is simply not the right choice, I would recommend, because you can actually go for the cloud storage and safeguard your money. Now 256 GB is fine, but you can simply go for 50 GB additional cloud storage with 75 rupees per month, or you can even opt for 200 GB storage at 219 rupees per month and 2 TB for 749 per month. That would save you a lot of money because the 256 GB version costs you around 12,000 extra. Now this is the iPad, the 10.9 inch. There's a back camera, there is a front camera as well. I'll just try to take it out from the cover. Okay, careful, this costed a lot. All right, yeah, the front camera, there are speakers on the top. There's a Touch ID, surprisingly, because generally you will see the Touch ID on Apple devices over here, but this time Apple has done some changes to the iPad and got this Touch ID on the top. There's a volume button over here, a couple of them, of course, one to increase, one to lower them. And there are a couple of more speakers in the bottom along with the Type-C charging port. Now, unlike the iPhones that the latest iPhones by the Apple, they are providing without chargers. And this one comes with the charger, surprisingly, and the cable. So that is nice, and it's designed by Apple in California, not in China. So you can go ahead, even if in India, and buy it. Yes, this is a nice device, feels good in the hand, touch is smooth. The display is pretty nice. I was impressed by the display quality when I was seeing it out in the store. So this is a 10.9 inch liquid retina display, which has a resolution of 2360 by 1640. And this is 264 pixels per inch, which is slightly low, I would say. I expect a bit more from Apple. But yeah, the stereo speakers, I'm pretty much sure that they will sound nice. I cannot play some music right now because my Wi-Fi isn't connected yet. I'll get back with a further review of the speakers later on as well. The camera is nice. I'll try to show up the camera. Okay, this is the back camera, which will not be nice. This is the front camera, looks pretty good, decent enough. There is, I can flip, I can go for the video mode and record videos in the front mode as well. What more you want? There are photos, square mode, pano, and lots of options here to explore for you. I'll leave that to you. Meanwhile, I'll turn off the camera here. And let's shift our focus now to other part of the iPad. Now, this is the space gray color. As I said, you can get more colors. There is space gray, there's silver, there's rose gold, sky blue, and even green color available if you are really looking forward to, just like Apple iPhone 12 is getting. Along with that, what special features you get here is the battery backup, because the battery backup, Apple is claiming that it's 10 hours on Wi-Fi in each model. And if you are using the cellular plus Wi-Fi and using the cellular data, then also you can expect your iPad to work for 9 hours odd. So yeah, that's more about it. It has the iPad OS 14.1, which is nice. Now the performance has been very impressive part of the Apple always. And this time iPad Air 2020 comes with the A14 Bionic chip, which is the latest one with the 64-bit architecture that uses the neural engine. Now A14 doubles the neural engine from 8 cores to 16 cores, delivering an impressive 11 trillion operations per second, which basically means your iPad will run faster and can run multiple things at a time. Along with it, in general terms, I would say as per the Apple, I will not say that, but as per the Apple, the CPU is 40% faster than the previous one. So the tablet, but the previous one was the iPad Air, which I'm not mistaken was having the A12 chip. This is the A14, and A12 to A13 there was a 20% improvement. So I would say overall there's around 17% faster than the A13 chip. But yeah, the previous iPad Air had the A12, so yeah, this is 40% faster than that. Along with it, it runs with, as I said, iPad OS 14, which was announced in June this year at WWDC. And yeah, that was it, because it got some updates for compact designs for search, Siri updates as well, and calls and improved app designs, handwriting recognition, so that you can just type it out, scroll something, use the Apple Pencil as well over here, and exploit it more. Augmented reality kind of updates as well. So yeah, this is really already working big time in favor of the iPad. Now coming to the recording part, as I showed you the camera, you can just record 4K videos and even at 1080 HD, and that you can record up to 60 FPS. Now if you are just doing it from the front camera, then also you can do FaceTime at 60 FPS with the 7 megapixel camera, which is not bad at all, as we saw. And then if we talk about what else I should be talking about is the question now. So maybe I should be reviewing this tablet more and then get back to its performance. That should be helpful. So let's skip on to the add-ons, I would say. So if we consider the add-on options, you can get the second generation iPad, Apple Pencil, and I'll just place the link in the description below so that you can purchase it from there directly without wasting your effort searching that. And it's also compatible with Smart Keyboard Folio as well as the Magic Keyboard. So I'll just place the best recommendations for the keyboard as well. And then you can go for a good tempered glass. You should have the iPad Air case as well. Tempered I already got from the store when I was purchasing it. So they have applied the tempered. The tempered is of good quality. I'll place the link of that as well. I have ordered the cover as well for the iPad. I'll place that link as well. And then if you want to really record videos via it, which is not a bad option at all, then you can go for a tripod stand along with it, and even a sleeve if you want to keep it safer. And then Apple is giving free engraving to you as well this time if you order from Apple online store. Now, but that will cost you around 2 to 3 weeks of delivery time. So if you're okay with that, I would say that you can get your iPad customized, and then the free engraving would be coming on the back side. You can get your name written or your business name written, or any code that you like or anything. So that is one option that you can always go with if you are really looking forward for engraving. But keep in mind that it will reduce your cost of selling it if you are ever trying to sell it off, and then you will not be able to get the maximum value out of it. Now, finally, the most important thing as an add-on which you should definitely take with this iPad is the Apple Care Plus. Now, this is the product which is offered by Apple directly, and it extends your product warranty from 1 year to 2 years, and that comes with accidental cover, which includes liquid damage as well. I'm repeating, liquid damage as well is covered with that, and not only for 1 year, for 2 years. So that costs you around 5.9K, but that's completely worth it. Now let's come to the pricing part. The 64GB version, which is the Wi-Fi only, is coming at 54.9K INR, and 256GB comes with 68.9K, so a 12K difference if you want to really go for Wi-Fi only, and you want to still, so it's a 14K difference, yeah, if you're going for 256GB version. And if you go with 64GB plus Wi-Fi, that costs you around 66.9K, and 256GB Wi-Fi plus cellular, that costs you around 80.9K. Now, there are options available on payments, which are the offers as well. So you can purchase it via HDFC debit card. If you have, you can make a one-time payment and avail 1500 cashback on it, which comes directly to your HDFC account in the next 120 days. Or you can even do it via HDFC debit card EMIs, and that can save you up to 4,000 on as a cashback, which you will get. And if you have a credit card, then also you can get 4,000 cashback. HDFC credit card is also providing that. Now, if you want to check how to check your HDFC debit card EMI or limit is there per month, then I can just place your link what all you can take, how much EMI is what you can avail. I'll just place the link in the description below so that you can check that out. Now, as of now, there are no other offers available in any of the stores. These offers are applicable on the stores itself, not on the Apple online store. If you go to the Apple online store, then it's very tough to get any discounts on this because it's a new product. And it's out of stock in most of the cases, most of the places I've checked in. I actually went to Chroma once and checked. They didn't have any stock even in Mumbai or Kolkata or anywhere else. So later on, when I got to know that Invent Store has got it, I went to there and they told me that they got just 8 pieces in Delhi. So this is one of the 8 in Delhi, the first ones to come. So happy to have it, and I'll now try to explore, play lots of chess on it and see how it goes, what best apps I can use. I'll just have lots of more videos on it. Now, coming to the pros and cons of this to probably close this video off, the top 3 pros as per now I see are the first of all A14 Bionic chipset, the fastest Apple has ever made thus far, and that is integrated even in the iPhone 12 version. Now, camera improvements is nice, as I already see. And third, most important part I would say is the Touch ID on the top. Now, this is a major change for Apple because the screen now looks pretty much nice with end-to-end display. The top 3 cons, if I want to take a point out on this product, I would say water resistance is still missing. We as Apple fans generally believe that water resistance should come with even iPad, not just iPhone. And then pixel density is disappointing. It's 264 pixels per inch, which we expect a lot more from Apple. And then price is a tad bit higher. I would say it's 54 and 4,000 cashback. So yeah, you can get it for 50,900. But then also, I think around 45, this would have been a great device to have. But yeah, anyway, once you are using Apple, you just love the OS. iPad OS is nice, and you will always like to use this. So there's not much option there. Now, as Apple has started a dedicated OS to iPad, we can expect a better user experience and more closer one to the laptop going forward. And as I said, I'll be just playing a lot of chess games, analyzing it a lot more, doing live streaming as well with this tablet, and then see how it goes from there, and we'll let you know the performance review soon. Now, do subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon, and I'll just place the links below. Yeah, I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye-bye.